daily work to the government.
In a World AIDS Day event held at the SAME of Hema Nongstoin office, District AIDS Control Officer Dr. R.H. Basaimoit shared that 19 individuals in West Khasi Hills district have been diagnosed with HIV/AIDS. The event, organised by the Hanutrep Youth Council and several local health organisations, aimed to raise awareness about HIV/AIDS transmission, prevention and treatment. Dr. Basaimoit urged the public to avoid discrimination against those living with the virus. Chief guest Dr. W. Stunga also discussed preventive measures and treatment options during the event. Meanwhile, World AIDS Day was also observed in Ribhoi district. Umroy MLA Damanbait Lamare emphasized public awareness and personal responsibility in preventing HIV/AIDS. He also called for greater support and inclusion for those living with the HIV.
Jadi tentu kita akan program kenapa create awareness yang itu yang bagi induktif dan mungkin hilang penyadaran lain yang mencegah HIV.